JSRR, brother. How are you, man? How are you, my friend? So we're gonna look at some different charts until 9:30. I mean, yesterday Bitcoin, everything, gold. Haven't looked at gold for a while. Also Bitcoin, man, interesting. We had 66k right now. We went down to 60k, man. Oh my god. I did a little video on Instagram that, you know, right here, that consolidation, it's a good buying area for dollar cost averaging. 100%. Still can go a little bit lower, but here would be fair enough to start buying. And if you're a long-term believer, bro, then 50% down right now, you can definitely grab some. Not a bad area. What's gold doing actually? Massive sell-off, of course, but I think it was due. Still holding that daily fair value gap. Could actually maybe draw to that internal high again on a daily. What happened to the chart here, dude? What the fuck? Is it because I logged into trader weight? We have like this huge gap. No. Trader weight is bugging or some shit. I don't get it. That was a minute ago, that was not here. I wonder if it's trader weight. NQH 2026. Yeah. That's weird. I had no price action here. ES looks fine, but what is going on, bro? What is going on with NQ here, bro? What the fuck? Hey, can you check your charts, buddy? Can you see this? There's no price action from, I don't know, Tuesday? On my chart at least. ES looks fine. And literally a couple hours ago, NQ looked fine, but my chart looks very... Don't get it. On gold, we really could walk our way up here, man. Yeah, I would also like to catch something on gold if we displace here. Currently we're driving up very slowly. Doesn't get me so interested, but if we displace through that high, maybe with 5 or 15 minute FVG, could take this. Because from here on, that's all low resistance. Right, on the daily, holding that order block, I mean my next target will be that high. So I'm gonna monitor the 15 minute here. That order block is nice. If you can create now in the next half an hour an FEG around that high, and then looking for that pullback, and then for the next push. But bro, my NQ chart looks disgusting, bro. What's happening here? Micro looks okay. I wonder if it's only my chart or like everybody's charts like this. I asked the community. Well, then I'm gonna trade on micro. Expecting a rundown here. So the trade, I expect a pullback here to the midpoint. We have an hourly FEG down here, we have a change in the delivery, and it's just out of my experience that 7 AM draws us down into the opposing direction that we came from. And I look for at least that sell side target here. It's not a demo trade, I'm here on trader weight. Also we're building this slowly consolidation, which should hold price and drives us lower. We created that order block after going into that CB. So even though if you're not done with going higher, I guess at least that FEG will be tapped, and that could be already like 50-60 point move. Yeah, there's probably something wrong on your side with the chat sometimes. Maybe your connectivity or something, I don't know. I want to see on gold more an aggressive move up, creating a FEG 50-minute. So waiting one more 50-minute candle. Ideally like to see a really like a last push in the last minute over that high. You can take me out, you know. midpoint needs to hold here. Not a good closure here on gold. I demand a little bit more here, for sure. An engulfing candle would be nice on a 15-minute. I would take the majority here off, definitely. 15, maybe a runner. Well, up to you, bro. I'm not telling you copying my trades, by the way. It's not a signal service, really. Just saying. If you lose, that's up to you. We need to engulf here for sure to go lower. Still can take me out, go very deep in here and then move down. So if I gonna stop out, it's no problem. Potentially getting a better entry. if it's a market maker sell model on a lower time frame. That was what I was looking for. Initial consolidation. Initial consolidation and small risk sell up here. Takes me out now. Gonna watch here if you're gonna break down again. Gonna trade micros today, man, because my NQ chart looks disgusting. I don't know why. I don't know why I have such a huge gap here. Doesn't make any sense to me from Tuesday. Lots of sell side here getting generated, but higher time frame looks more like going to that high. So that's the level I need to see a rejection from. What's CS doing? flipping my buys. Keep tight risk here. Because my initial idea could be still right. So we're going first down, and at 9:30 we shoot up. But honestly, I need to go lower than that. Still have imbalances here. 5 minutes too. But honestly, I don't want to see that change in state here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this one. It's 250-50 right now. I want to see more structure building here. And then seeing if we're gonna go higher. For the risk to reward, lower is of course better, because not really many points to this 4 hour. I could still see it breaking down here, that's why I was like a bit cautious right now. Seeing what order flow is respecting this level now. What's up, Sahid? You right? See that engulfing here. Come on, brother. Testing my initial idea. Going for these lows here. Tight risk. Not even 20 points. But good upside. there was this. Let's see for the next macro 850. Let's build some structure now. Market's not ready yet. I want to see 4 hour or hourly getting tapped, and then we can see further. Probably around 3k down right now, but we only need one good move. One good move. Still watching price here on this area. Maybe it just stopped me out here, man. Maybe it's still wanting to go down. Could see that happening. Yes, yeah. Also swept that high. Let's see if the idea is at least right. Yeah. The idea was going lower for that 1 hour busy, yeah. Could still see that happening. What's gold doing? Gold, bro. Nothing interesting yet. Is there anything else we can watch? What's silver doing? Oh, we have an SMT here. Way weaker, silver way weaker than gold. Bro, silver went crazy down, man. From 120 to 64, 50% down. That's mental, man. A couple of days. Crazy times. Bitcoin at 60k. Interesting times. Bit scary though for the economy, in my opinion. see how we hang around here a little bit? Like, if we're like, you know, taking it high and going to the imbalance, we should have already done this. Shouldn't stop here at, you know, golden entry OTE level. If I would have seen that earlier, I would have taken another entry here. Immediate rebalance. Last try on that setup. Give me my 3K back. Well, the block needs to hold. Stop is just right above it. Doesn't hold, then not good. Yeah, lovely rejection. Ooh, what the fuck? What the fuck? We're on a 30-second chart, dude. There's like, how many points? It was a 50-point move. But now continue, bro. What the heck? What the heck, man? Should maybe not fuck around too much with pre-market. But the ideas are there, man. If the setup is there, what can you do? Bruh. Price action, what the fuck? How does the wick down 50 points to just come up to the same entry point here? What the fuck? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, my friend. Bro, it's so volatile right now. Do we have 8:30 news? We didn't have any news right now, right? 10 AM news. Gay. Okay, guys, I'm 4K down. We need to recover from that. It looked like it stopped me out, literally. Literally. Bro, financial crisis here right now. Not really, but a bit annoying that it takes me out and then it still looks like, okay, it could still go. It's not invalidated yet. It's just deep retracements on all setups I had. Like too deep that I wanted to stay inside, right? But we're still holding that order block. We still have the break in structure internally. We could still run, man. We could still run, but I don't want to take another trade here for that setup. I'm gonna wait here a little bit. I need to be here a little bit financially responsible with my money. So I know 1-2 setups gets me back, but this condition right now is not favorable. Yeah, I'm not worried about it, to be honest. Doesn't hurt me too much, you know. I know that I have days where I make 6K in a single trade. The setup is still not invalidated, so that's why I took it, you know. You can still watch it. You can still break down here. It's just I have usually tight stop losses, right? So that's why I have my high risk reward. And normally if you're like turning to a sell program, we're not gonna draw that high back to the range. Usually either we run like this and we're respecting bearish PD arrays and don't really overshoot them like this. Very rarely. I like how it builds his structure right now. Really looks like it wants to go lower now. This looks like a nice engulfing order block here right now. Don't want to put money on that, but you know, not a bad setup here. Just waiting for ideally now for 9:30. I need one good setup today. That order block should hold. It's going to be opening new 15-minute. Teasing here a lot. too much hanging around here for my liking. I would have probably killed it here by now. Probably waiting for 850. 850 macro would be ideal here now. So 850 now. Let's see. Ideally, I only want to, you know, go into expanding moves. Like I'm expansion trader basically, right? But market really needs to show if it's ready here. Doesn't seem like it yet. And there we go. it's running. Watching that Sibi here closely. If it wants to go through it or holds 3 minute here as well, 2 minute touched. I think golfing would be nice. Needs to leave quickly though. Don't want to see it come back. Otherwise I'm out. that's me out wahrscheinlich. Most likely. Idea is still right. I guess I don't find the entry today. I get constantly getting stopped out. Still a valid idea in my opinion. I guess I should have considered that it's like still pre-market, right? Pre-market, it's not really intended to run large amounts. If this would be a setup between 9:30 to 10:30, that would be running. Because that's like, you know, business needs to finish. There's liquidity. I'm currently building up liquidity on both sides. Buy side over here, sell side below. We're here in the range. Can still break down, can still do everything I wanted to see. That's trading sometimes, right? You get stopped out, you can be right with the direction, but you need to time it. It's very important. Timing is everything. And so far I didn't get it. So far I didn't get the timing aspect. Or let's say entry / stop placement. Could see this breaking down here quickly. Hilarious, man. How many times got stepped out on that trade? And it's still on the way. Still on the way, bruv. What's up, brother Akash? How are you doing? So we can walk our way up here again. Let's see. Wanna wait for 9:30 now to open up, and then we're gonna start hunting for real. Still can go for the session up to go down. We'll see. Gonna wait here. Price not ready yet. Oh, price action is back. Nice. And Q doesn't look so crazy anymore. Yeah, my NQ chart is back again. It was weird earlier. I had a huge gap here, and there was a lot of price action missing, but it's good now. As soon as I looked into my trader weight, it happened. I don't know why, because earlier it was not like that. Don't know, guys. Don't know. I'm waiting for 9:30 to open up. Ideally, going higher to go lower is the idea, but also considering it's Friday, we already done our damage. Yeah, Monday manipulating, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday going down. Wednesday can go back into the range, but we still have sell side left down here, so depends if you first want to flip that, go to sell side, then back into the range, because Friday usually draws back like 20-30% back to the weekly range. But since we are just leaving that consolidation and expanding, we could also just see another sell-off today. So those are the two scenarios. I'm gonna see how we play out, if we're gonna go back to the 4 hour and how we develop here. We have a 4 hour CP up here. Yeah, that's pretty much the game plan for now. Gonna see how it plays out, my friend. Woo! Oh, tired today, man. What the fuck? I just took a nap. Still tired as fuck. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. Backtest video, yeah. Maybe on a weekend. Maybe I make one on the weekend. Let's see. Let's see. What about NFP? There's no NFP. Government shut down. There's no NFP, my friend. No NFP. No NFP, guys. There is 10 a.m. news though. Consumer sentiment. On Forex Factory it says non-farm payroll next week, 8:30. Don't know if that's true. And CPI on Friday. What the fuck? Let's see. Because it always changes around. You really need to see sometimes day by day, week by week, what's going on. It's kind of crazy. he wants to see a backtest video of the strategy I gave you guys in my PDF. But to do a real backtest video, you need to do like hundreds of trades, right? Because you can pick a month and then, you know, it's not enough sample size of trades. You need to have ideally 100 trades to backtest with, really. Like at least a full year or 2 years. That's where you get like to the size and amount of trades where you can say, hey, that strategy, you know, is good or not, you know. And as well, it depends how you execute it and how you see it. But yeah, you know, you can pick a bad month where price or conditions are not good, and you base your strategy and results of 5 to 10 trades. That's not really what reflects the whole process on the long run. So let's see. I need to see how if I do one, how I do it, because it would take me quite some time, you know. Internal sweep potentially here on gold. Equal highs. And Q just really waits for 930. So again, 930, bang, 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 bang. Ideally, right? Ideally, I want to see this. Yeah, that's, you know, you can't expect too much from pre-market. Sometimes it runs, sometimes it doesn't. It's also Friday, you know. You have sometimes really good moves between 7 to 9 a.m. And yeah, my initial idea to go for that low here could still play out. Doesn't need to. Don't care anymore really. I would rather now see this consolidation hold. 930 open up in 3 minutes. We're going higher for that CB, and then we break down, and then with the timing aspect where we are right now would make more sense to me. Maybe gold is setting up something here. Yeah, now it's running. Where's the initial idea? Probably have it somewhere here. Or is it gone? On micros. Yeah. Here we go. Now we're running. Unfortunately, without us, but that's how trading is sometimes. Can't be mad about this. Can't be mad. Again, can get the direction right, but you also need to get the right entry. I failed to do that today, so far. But let's see. I'm not doubting myself or anything. I know we're gonna get it back. Wow, came super close to my level. Extremely close. Gold making a move here too. straight to our target now. Nice rejection here from it. So again, even though the idea was good or correct, I still lost on that setup. You know, that happens. You can't have bad feelings about it. Oh, looks sweet. Internal sweep, equal highs, as I said. Drawing to it. It's a little bit far gone now for me to do anything. Maybe it comes back. Maybe not. We'll see, we'll see. So NQ touched it now. 4 hour. What is that line actually? That high. Okay. If I know a prop firm without the micro scalping rule. To be honest, I have never looked into that. I don't even do micro scalping. What is that? Like taking trades and having them on for 15 seconds or something? Less than 15 seconds? never done this really. Never, you know. Why do you look for that? Are you doing that? I don't know. Is that a way to make profits? Probably, I don't know. But not that I'm like concerned about that doing this. So now price came to our point of interest on the 4 hour. 4 hour CB consolidation here with follow blocks. Now we want to see how price develops here. ES has loads of low resistance liquidity now up here, so bear in mind that, yeah, ES could also easily go for that. Unfortunately, gold, we didn't get any entry. I was waiting maybe when we were here if we get another pullback. Didn't do it yet. So that's out of the window a little bit. Bro, I don't know if that's profitable. I don't know if that's profitable, my friend. I don't believe it. Show me your results over whatever. Ideally, I want to see a year, but show me the results after a month. And also, since I know you and you told me where you're at, why are you not rich yet? Why are you on the evaluation right now? Right? If it's 100% win rate, if it's 100% free money, why are you at right now? Well, bro, if you're trying to convince me about a 100% win rate strategy, why do you use even prop firms? Put your money on a live account, even if you have only 500 or 1,000 in there, and you should be, up a couple of tens of thousands in a week, right? Why do you use 50k evaluations? So that's a little bit BS to me. And honestly, I don't see that strategy working over long run. Even if you say you got now 6 or 900, whatever, it is, you see it in such a small way. I don't care what you do today, do this over a month, do this over a week, do this over a year, and then show me your results, right? Yeah, again, why are you sitting on evaluations if you have a 100% win rate strategy? You should print money. You should be like the money printer in the fucking Fed. Yeah, still, bro, that's pretty much gambling. You tried one trade. That's not really like what's your statistic like? One trade, two trades, and you might got lucky there, but I don't. There's no real strategy behind it. Well, when you can't lose a lot. I mean, if you go with 4 minis in and price moves 50 handles straight against you, there's a couple of thousands, 4k or something. Especially how volatile it is. Just do it. Show me your results after a month. Show me how rich you got. I'm happy to see if you're even talking about this after tomorrow. Sorry, bro, I don't see anything being smart about this. Just a market price on a random level and then having one tick stop loss with 4 minis. Especially on a live account where you have commission fees and shit like that. How many entries do you have that you actually catch something, right? So 950 right now. Let's see how we build structure. Honestly, I can see it going still in both ways, especially ES kind of wants to run probably for these highs here, all low resistance liquidity. But I'm interested how that 4 hour closes as well. Yeah, I have multiple accounts. I trade live, I trade with Tradify, I have an investor account, so people investing in me, and I trade them. But I'm gonna go soon for some Top Step accounts. Currently don't have Top Step. I usually also trade Top Step and link 5 accounts. Where lately I just been on live accounts and waiting for price action to really get good. Usually like February, March, April, I start loading up more capital on funded accounts. Maybe next week, we'll see. So in the future space, I like Tradify, I like Top Step. I also done Alpha Futures, took multiple 15 or 20k or something with this firm. But you know, as soon as you have capital, sometimes you don't want to go through that evaluation process hustle, you know. It's kind of like, you know, what TopStep does also with their rules now, and I don't know. I think in the next months and years, couple of top prop firms will go under for sure. And if you're going into kind of like a bear market recession or something, then there will be a lot of prop firms denying payouts, and I just want to keep myself far away from that. It's not worth the time and effort, so I get it, prop firms are great if you don't have capital, but yeah, TopStep has some changes. The problem with instant funding is that you have consistency targets, and I mean, I made a video on my main channel how you get like really to like 15-20k payouts with TopStep, because the funded accounts don't have consistency targets, so you can really max out your profits, whereby on these consistency targets you have to lock yourself with smaller profits, you know. And the consistency targets are usually there just to limit the trader a little bit, you know, throttle their profits down. So maybe we get here something interesting on NQ.
Money gone, fuck friends. I need a homie that know me when all these motherfucking cops be on me. I got problems, ain't nobody calling back. Now what the fuck is happening with my ball and cap? Remember me, I'm your homie that was down the brawl, sipping Hennessy, hanging with the clowns and all. We used to do is drink brew, screw, and
price looks good right now. Just looking for a good entry here.
Where the fuck is all your friends? They straight busted and can't be trusted. Fuck y'all. Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all. I'm sipping Tangeray and juicing what's the use 'cause I'm a
10 a.m. news, by the way, as well.
reminiscing on our close we was way back in the day before they put the crack in the way. Hey, how much money can you stack in the day? It's getting rough. Collect calls from my niggas and cuts. I recollect we used to ball, now just living's enough. I stand tall in the winter, summer, spring, and fall. Thug for life, sprawled all across the wall and all. About my dollars, make me wanna holler, drop an album, sell a million, give a fuck about tomorrow.
Lord, NQ again. What the fuck is happening with that chart? I don't know. Trader weights, data feed is kind of fucked. I don't know. I don't know even if it's trader weights fault. Could be CME. I don't know. Engulfing candle would be nice here. I really want to wait until price is ready. Because I want to hit the banger now.
Here we go, we're gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we're gonna do this one for, you feel me?
Can't go see shit.
I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Castle, LL raising hell, but I didn't last ever be a rock cameras. The shit to me, I flipped to see a Ducky Fresh show. With Ricky D and Better Luck was putting in work. And Chuck Chill had my homies on the hill getting ill. When shit was real, what I still remember raw. When Daddy came, when De La Soul was putting potholes in the game. I can't explain how it was. Houdini had me puffing on that Buddha kick buzz. Cause still I was. Them block parties in the projects and on my block. And you don't stop sipping on that by the side. And through my speaker, bring a deeper. And it's light. It's in the tracks, man. I stick it through the night.
Ah. Come on, bro.
Nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. It ain't nothing like the old school. I had shell toes and DVDs. I kill the pieces out my leaves when I hit the streets. I'm playing Skelly Ring Olivia or catch a kiss. Before the homies in my hood learned to smack a bitch. I remember way back the week they had too many seeds in the trade bag. I'm on the train heading uptown, freestyling with some wild kids from uptown. Profiling cause the hoop keep staring, checking where the niggas wearing. I'm wondering if that's ahead. I remember sick ball, Uncle Mookie's on the wall. down, hood wild as a juvenile. A young nigga trying to stay away from Mike as hell. Me and my homies breaking nights trying to keep it true. Out on the roof sipping 90 proof, ain't nothing like the old school. Ain't nothing like the old school.
Unfortunate.
Ain't nothing like the old school. Hey, Rich, ain't nothing like the motherfucking old school, nigga. And I know you kinda like reminiscing when I just freak it to you like that. So why don't you flip that shit for these motherfuckers and like, you know, really just let them see how you picture the old school. Cause it ain't the same for every motherfucker, you feel me? So, take us back, nigga. Remember popping and locking at Curtis Blow, the name belts, and Scotland rocked the Super Hole back in Latin quarters. When Slick Freak was flicking Lottie Dottie, came in the hoochies at the neighborhood block parties. I remember break dancing to Melly Bell, tickling high LL when he rocked the bells. Forget the TV, I'm about to hit the streets and do graffiti. Be careful, don't let the transit cops see me. Ain't nothing like the old school. It ain't nothing like the old school.
Didn't got that entry, unfortunate. It would be a really nice one here. Maybe we get another chance. Come on, Fred. Come on. Already see, man. NQ wants to go to places.
They'll never take me alive. I'm getting high with my 4-5. Copped on these suckers, time to die. Even as a youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust. But now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame?
Doesn't want to tag me in, bro.
So I'm hopeless. Down the freeway,
It's funny today.
I'm about to crash upon the curb, cause my business blurry. Maybe if they tried to understand me, what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family. What else could I do but be a thug? I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with them phonies in the club. Got my mind on danger, never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gangbangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? He was so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. Will I let her be 23? There's so much pain.
Come on, G.
They got me mobbing like I'm loped and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip and slip my motherfucking gloves on. I ain't scared to blast on these suckers if they test me. Trust, I got my Glock cop player if they press me. Bust some motherfuckers with a passion. Better talk 'cause I ain't looking with them. But blasting them or nothing, drinking Hennessy and getting high on the lookout for my enemies. Don't wanna die, tell me why, 'cause the stress getting major. A $150 across the face with my razor. What can I do but be a thug until I'm dead and gone? I keep my brain on the game and stay headstrong. These sorry bastards wanna kill me in my sleep. I'm really cannot see it every day. It's just a struggle, steady thugging on the streets and I've been falling low. Don't let them make you worry. Keep slinging at these suckers till you buried. I was born and raised hell, nigga from the gutter. Word to mother, I'm touched. I'm kicking dust up, ready to bust out on the scene. Steady mugging me until they kill me. I'll be living this life. I know you feel me. There's so much pain.
Nice, Akash. Great that you took the cells. I would have been in already as well. Missed 1-2 entries up there.
On
unfortunately, but let's see how the money now. Good reaction here. Bro, my chart is bugging, bro. Back in the IFG in a 5 minute. Wanna see the reaction here from. Don't like that candle closure. Not good.
When I was young, me and my mama had beef, 17 years old, kicked out on the streets. Though back at the time, I never thought I'd see a face. Ain't
50
a woman
minute holding.
alive that could take
Doesn't
my
look
mama's
good.
place. Suspended from school, was scared to go home. I was a fool with the big boys breaking all the rules. Shed tears with my baby sister. Over the years, we was bored another little kid. And even though we had different daddies, the same drama when things went wrong, we blame.
Stop is above the 50% level
It was hell.
of the OB.
Mama from a jail cell. And who thinking elementary? Hey, I see the penitentiary one day. Running from the police, that's right. Mama catch me, put a whoop into my backside.
If I see a good reaction here, I would skate in.
Mama, you always was a black queen, mama. I finally understand for a woman it ain't easy trying to raise a man. You always was committed, a poor single mother on welfare. Tell me how you did it. There's no way I can pay you back. But the plan is to show you that I
Don't like how the 50-minute looks like, to be honest. 5-minute tapped in that CB.
Dear mama, you all appreciate it.
I like the reaction here. I like what I see right now. If it comes up, then I'm taking in one more.
Now ain't nobody tell us it was fair. No love from my daddy cause the coward wasn't there. He passed away and I didn't cry cause my anger wouldn't let me feel for a stranger. They say I'm wrong and I'm heartless, but all along I was looking for a father, he was gone. I hung around with the thugs, and even though they sold drugs, they showed a young brother love. I moved out, started really hanging, needed money of my
Gone
own,
too
so
far
I
now.
started slanging.
That's it. Don't scale in here anymore. Lowered my stop loss to the recent high. Don't want to see price going up there again.
Cause when I was low, you was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. And I can see you coming home after work late. You're in the kitchen trying to fix us a hot plate. You're just working with the scraps you was given. And mama made miracles every Thanksgiving. But now the road got rough, you're alone. You're trying to raise 2 bad kids on your own. And there's no way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it. And dear mama, you all appreciate it.
PA is building a nice structure here now. So that 930 low should be in.
Tell me when my enemies flee when they see me. Even thugs gotta learn to take it easy. Listen, through the intermission, stretch a heart for a plan. We turn it bad boys to grown men. It's only can I give a holler to my niggas in the darkest corners. Roll a perfect blunt and let me spark it for you. One love from a thug nigga rolling with a posse full of paranoid drug dealers. To the end, my friend, I'm seeing nothing but my dream coming true. While I'm
Yeah, if you identify the higher time frame narrative, which is still going lower, then you will have similar price action, right? It's always a market maker sell model. Buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. Simple, repeatable. If you know what you're looking for, quite easy.
they gone? What happened to them? Well, let's see. It seems to be a mystery. But all I know, I never let the money get to me. Stay down like the truest thug life until I check out this bitch. I thought you knew this. Who was gonna catch me when I fall or even care to? Why you thinking I see you lost up in my rear view? Hair view is down with them outlaws. Outcasts left for a few like southpaws. But still we keep mashing till our dreams come true. Staring at the world through my rear view.
Now I was raised a young black male. In order to get paid, crack sales. Caught a nigga, so they send me to these overpacked jails. In a cell, counting days in this living black hell. Do you feel me? Keys to ignition, use it to discretion. Roll with a 12-gauge pump for protection. Niggas hate me in this section from years of chin checking. Turn the Smith and Wesson war weapons. Heavenly Father, I'm a soldier. I'm getting hotter 'cause the world's getting colder. Baby, let me hold ya. Talk to my guns like they fly bitches. All you beggars must have run. Look at my pictures. Now I know the answers to the question. Do dreams come true? Still staring at the world through my rear view. I said now I know the answers. Do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my rear view.
Nice reaction here again. Look how we like literally close the price action of the level I have here. It's a 1 minute. It's a 1 minute gap. It's a 1 minute wick. But look how the 30-second is respecting it. Beautiful. Don't like that. Don't like that. The auto block is the last defense here. Takes me out here probably. Teasing me here a lot, man. What the fuck?
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like worth living, should I blast myself?
A golfing auto block created. Could be lucky here. Could be very lucky. Otherwise, I'm done for the day.
Stop film.
Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for me. I'm down quite a bit today. I think I'm gonna close it for the day. Need to do some damage control. Ooh, I'm actually a bit more down than I wanted. 7K down, bro. What the fuck? Yeah. I'm also out for the day. I'm 7K down. I'm gonna recoup it. I wanted to say tomorrow, but next week. Next week. Take a little bit of break this weekend. Create some content for you guys, and then we're back tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Monday. "50-minute held order block, went to the week." But that got me very uninterested in the session now. What's ES doing? Yeah, ES holding up bullish here too. So might go for that resting buy side. And maybe NQ is going to follow. Definitely, guys. Hey, always a pleasure. Have a good weekend. I'm gonna catch you next week, Monday. Take care, guys.